Hi, my name's Ashley and I want to show you guys how to put this adorable egg bunny craft kit together, and just want to give you some tips. So the first thing I would do is, if you want your entire bunny to be different colors, I would paint everything separately, including the ears and the feet. I'd paint everything and then I'd let it dry, and then you would be able to glue your entire kit together afterwards. If you have a young kid that's painting it and they're most likely going to just paint with multiple different colors throughout the whole thing, I would recommend gluing your ears in, and I would also recommend at least gluing the base on for them to start painting. Now, just to show you the parts, you do have 2 ears, this is the base, the bunny, 2 adorable feet, and then you're gonna get this little cardboard piece. This piece has the nose for the bunny, and then these are all the little like foot pads that you can paint a different color that looks really cute. And then when these are painted and dry, you will pick these off. They're just on a little bit of tape right now. And you will use your Q-tips and get out a little bit of glue, and you'll put glue right onto the feet where the pads go. There's little marks to show you, and then you would just glue them right on. When it comes to gluing in your ears and your actual feet, I would use the Q-tip, get glue, and then I would just put glue around the inside of each of these holes, and then the legs would just slide right on. And your ears, I do usually bend the ears a little bit at the bottom of them, and they also would just slide right in to glue them together. Now, this glue does take at minimum 10 minutes to dry. I'd say anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. So if you do want to glue anything together before a little kid would paint, just remember you'll want to do it ahead of time, and then they'd paint after everything was dry. And then the base, again, you just put glue right here and you'd set that on top. And then same with the nose, just put a little bit of glue on the inside of this hole and put your nose in, and that's how you can put this guy together.